Hi, welcome to the HK Audio booth at LeadCon 25. My name is Karl Noon, I'm Application Support Engineer here at HK Audio. I'm glad to be presenting here on the proaudio.tv channel, and I'm excited to show you some of our products. I'm standing right here beside some parts of our concert sound line, which starts at a very small place. I'm going to show it to you. With this very nice speaker, the Contour X8, point source, 8 inches, multifunctional speaker, smallest part of the concert sound family. But what I want to talk to you a little bit more about is this here. It's our line array system, it's a Cosmo system, and I will tell you why we developed it, what was our goal, and how is this goal helping you as an audio engineer, as a company, to develop your own goals and succeed. So what are we seeing here? We have 3 models of the line array that are all consistent in one line, so they can be all mixed and matched together in various configurations. At the top we have our Cosmo 6. It's a double 6-inch line array which has a horizontal dispersion of 100 degrees. Perfect for smaller applications, front fills, down fills, or if you are in a venue where the stage is at the side of the venue and you have to go really wide. Next is the Cosmo 8, double 8-inch, and it has an 80 degrees horizontal dispersion, so it's the classic arrays, medium format, most sold format on the world, so this is like the starting point of the Cosmo system in a lot of cases. So you have a classic hang, 6 pieces per side for a medium rock concert, for a venue where like 500 to 1,000 people are in, and you really need a lot of power. You can complement it with the Cosmo 6, like as a downfill, or you can also complement it with our Cosmo 10, the double 10-inch, for high power applications. So the main difference between the 10 and the 6 and the 8 is the 10 has 2 high frequency drivers for more output in the high frequencies. So classically you would make it at the top of the array or for wider distances, and that's why it only has a dispersion of 60 degrees as standard, which helps preventing the sound bouncing off some walls or just going to the side of the field where there's nobody there. We want the sound at the audience. Alternatively, included in the system is a kit you can convert the C10 to 80 degrees horizontal dispersion to make it even more flexible. As I said, the whole system is consistent, as is the whole concert sound line. All speakers with a C in it from HK Audio are in one phase trace, so it's very easy to mix and match, to use them as front fills, out fills, side fills, whatever you need, whatever the application needs. What else is there? We have a subwoofer right down there, CS118, as you could guess. It's a 118-inch classic bass reflex subwoofer with a high power BIMA driver in it, and this really matches those systems very well. There's another subwoofer, it's a double 18-inch, it has a little more volume, so it goes a little lower. We can have a little more punch in the very low frequencies, up to like 25 Hertz, for modern music applications like hip hop or EDM. What else is there? We got the subwoofer as a flown part, the CF118, if you need to fly the subwoofers. And we have other models of the CX series, like a 12-inch, a 15-inch, and a double 10-inch high power point source. So it's all a big family, all working together. What else is helping you to develop your goals as a good audio company? The whole system is very easily set up. So one of the main points is a 3-point rigging. So even if the ground is not very even, you just roll it there, pick it up, and while it's flying already in the air, you set the angles, and then you can just strap it together, and you're done in like a couple of minutes. What's also helping in deploying the system is we have software that, like a lot of audio engineers know, for the development of your system to see where it's all going, you can use Ease Focus. It's free, and you can like calculate where the sound will be, how it will sound, and what you need to do to optimize it. Then at the same point we have an amplifier platform or 2 amplifier platforms that help you find people that can work with it. We have the Labgruppe PLM Plus series, and we have the PowerSoft X series with Harmonia Plus. Both 2 great platforms that a lot of engineers know and that are very easy to use and that have some really nice trickery in there, because after you have your system set up, you want to tune it and you want to make it sound good at all places. So what we have in there is the option to make like beam steerings with the low mids, because you know in an line array when I curve it you will always have a low mid beam somewhere, so we want to get rid of that. We can use some all-pass filters with very easy technique. We also have like cardioid presets for your subwoofer to prevent noise on stage or noise at the neighbors in a like 1-on-1 configuration or 2-on-1 configurations. And at the same time we also provide good trainings with operator sound trainings. So if you are interested in this system, we will help you getting it on the road, getting it in the air, and we will train you to make you a good user of this product. What else can I say? We have a lot of like extras. We have different flying frames for smaller or bigger applications. We have ground stack adapters. We have a dolly that you can make a big ground stack with up to 6 pieces, because there are just those situations where you cannot fly the array, even if that would be the perfect solution. But we can ground stack 6 of those top units, no matter which ones, and have a very big curved line array from the ground. So all those things should get you interested, and maybe you want to hear the system, try it. So it would be cool to contact us. Go on the website of proaudio.tv or go directly to hkaudio.com and contact us, and we will be happy to make a demo or get you a chance to listen to the system. Thanks.